Working hard isn't about proving how outstanding you are. It's about having the strength that comes from the accumulation of effort and abilities when unexpected and uncontrollable challenges arise. The reason for hard work is to have control over one's own destiny instead of being stuck in the same position as one's parents with no choices. It's about being prepared with not just genuine feelings, but also something impressive when encountering things or people one likes. In reality, the true meaning of hard work can be summed up in 3 words: the power to choose. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content.